Rightio. So what we've done is we've set it up. I've put in the parameters for the car and stuff like that in terms of its capacity, and pretty much that's it really. Red line and stuff like that. So now what we need to do, the fuel pump is disconnected, so we need to actually put fuel into that, and we do that by just turning the engine over so the mechanical pump pumps into that. And then what we'll do after that is we'll fire it up, but as you can see, like, it's completely cold from last night. So let's just do that. So we shouldn't expect it to start at the moment. If it does, that's pretty darn amazing. So what that's doing is putting fuel into the fuel pot over here. Okay, now we're back. A quick bolt upstairs to answer the bloody phone. Telemarketers. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Sort of telling me that we didn't prime it enough. Just so we're sort of not Fitech unfriendly, what happened there was that the bloody ignition signal to the distributor was a bit lousy. And I felt that pop out yesterday, but I thought I'd push it back in for it. Well, we got fuel that time. Right, let's try again, Jackson. Rightio, a recap. After the batteries went flat, we recharged the batteries. That was why we had the white screen of death on this dashboard here. So we've got those. You can still see I've got the power pack connected to it. The other thing that I needed to do was to change the IAC steps, which is more or less like your throttle idle screw, which is just at the front there. The reading that I did said that you want an IAC step of between 3 and 10. Mine was basically 0. In other words, it wasn't getting enough at idle, so I wound it out, and I wound it out too far. Got 120 measurements, whatever the hell that is, and so I've just been frigging around with that, getting it to come back. So I think I've got it pretty right. Saying it starts up okay. Let's just have a go at this again. Let's take that out. See how we go. So that's what it looks like when it starts up. I've set the idle at 876 or something or other. You can see the AFR's coming down. Just scrolling down. This is this IAC step thing here. It's pretty finicky. What else is down here? Fuel pump, air temp, vacuum, battery, barometric. Oh, got no idea what that is. So look, after a bit of stuffing around, it seems to be going okay, you know. Hopefully you can see it there. You can see it, the fuel just sort of leaking there. Let's give it a... Settles back down. Here's what do we got? 40, 45, 50, 54, 60, 52, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 50 and a bit PSI. It is warm, but not that warm. No warmer than the heat there. So look, after a bit of stuffing around, I definitely am not one of these people that just set it up and, you know, it bloody showed that it can, you know, just start straight up. But just a bit of reading I did, a bit of stuffing around seems to work okay. But yeah, overall it looks pretty cool. You know, seems to have settled down a fair bit now. So what are these steps doing? Well, look at that. IAC steps is pretty much perfect, so it's cool. Not sure what that really means, but it sounds cool anyway. But yeah, so there you go. Seems to be going okay.